Wix, how to add collaborator. If you would like to add collaborators on Wix, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, if you're editing a certain Wix website and it's too much for you to handle alone, you'd like to invite some collaborators so both of you can do some changes. First, you go to manage.wix.com, which will take you to the dashboard of your website, and make sure you select the proper website. Once you have done that, what you have to do from here is you want to just click on the three dots option from the top right, which if you select, it will show site actions. When you click on the site actions button, you'll find many options. What we want to do is we want to add collaborators, so we will select the add collaborators option that you can find here. After we've done that, what we need to do from here is we will simply be able to add the email of the collaborator that we want to invite. So we can invite up to 10 collaborators. We can give them a general role such as admin or co-owner, website manager, website designer, back office manager, content writer, CMS editor, CMS admin, and other roles as such. If I want to, then I can just click on the send invites option to send the invite, and they should be able to accept it and get back to you. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.